Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study CPA Australia. Begin by mapping the syllabus, exam formats, and core competencies, then allocate study time per module. Prioritize mandatory topics and sequence electives to match your background and career goals. Build a weekly plan with revision cycles, practice questions, and progress checkpoints. Stay flexible, track weak areas, and connect with peers for motivation and accountability. Create a weekly study schedule that balances learning and revision. Start with foundational subjects and aim for 10 to 15 focused study hours per week, increasing before exams. Use spaced repetition and active recall daily to cement knowledge. Schedule regular timed practice, exams to build stamina and timing. Review mistakes immediately and log them for targeted revision. Adjust your plan monthly to reflect progress and focus. Prioritize practice questions and review exam standard answers to learn marking focus. Simulate exam conditions with timed papers and full 9 to 5 style sittings for stamina. Memorize key formulas and frameworks and create quick reference sheets for last-minute review. Improve written communication by practicing concise, structured answers. Seek feedback from tutors or study groups and iterate on weak areas. Rest well the day before and trust your preparation always.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.